Oh yeah, I got that addendum. I don't know if you got the email. I got that addendum to extend the closing.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, great. Okay.
I had it over the week. I just forgot to send.
You want me to sign it while I'm here? I can sign it on my phone.
Okay, that's fine.
I didn't see it. I've been on the phone all morning. Like I got on the plane and then everybody just wanted to call me when I was on the plane. Put some glass block in these things.
Did you see the Browns game yesterday? Are you from around here?
I live in Florida.
Oh, you do?
But I did see the Browns game. I'm
The
a
tie.
Browns fan now.
Are you?
Yeah. I drafted some players on my fantasy team. I got Gordon and Hyde, so they scored yesterday. But hey, I think that was a great performance, though.
I didn't
Fuck,
think.
it's just for the AC.
They could have won it.
They should have won it, man.
Yeah, I know. Once they blocked that, Pittsburgh missed the field goal, and then they got that huge play. I'm like, holy shit! You know, there's like 2 minutes left. They can pull this off.
I know.
I'm not gonna lie. I turned it off.
Did you?
Oh man. I woke up and saw they tied it though.
All right. Do you mind if I just run up there?
Go ahead, yeah. Do what you gotta do.
I'll be real quick. Okay. That's exactly what I expected. Is there another bedroom on this?
Right there. Yep.
Oh, okay. Carpet in here. White bitch. All right.
Another level.
Oh, really?
Yep. Could possibly be a fourth.
Oh, yeah. Nice. Definitely a fourth bedroom. No doubt about it.
I can't remember. Oh, it's ductwork, so I mean, yeah, possibility.
I'm gonna mark it as a 4. I thought it was a 3. Even better. Okay. Cool. I'm telling you, find me 100 of these things.
I'm working on it.
Please. Find me 100 of them.